Welcome back everyone. A pretty big day today. Alex's gear is back from Envirostrip. Yes, quite a big job. Just flip this round. There we are. Yes, Envirostrip did this for us. It's just come back this morning. We knew it was quite rough before it went, but there's a few more bits than we thought. Start at the front. The bulkhead needs repairs at the bottom, which ain't the end of the world, and the inside of it is actually quite nice. The dash isn't too bad, but needs repairs around the bottom and the sides. It's the same on both sides down there. Yes. Got in the corners there, which is a shame, be a bit awkward. See all the holes there, same. It's quite going to do a lot of metal work on this one. The roof is pretty good. Not too bad at all. Bits and bobs like this need sorting. So Alex has been collecting parts of this for years. He's got a load of new old stock panels. Quite a lot of the lighter panels that we'll have to modify to make them right for the year. But he's also got that rear cut. You can see across the wall over there, which will help out because that's, even though that's quite rotten, it's a lot better than this at the back. I mean, the valance is hanging off there. The side trays are all over the place. It's the tubs are pretty full. All the winter frames are going to need work. So it's going to cost a lot of money to get this put right, but the car don't know Alex a lot of money at all. He's had it a long time. He wants it put in right. I'm going to enjoy doing it. It'll be a really cool job to get stuck into. Let's go have a quick look at that cut over here. Still needs repairs, but it's quite nice compared to his body. in the they're not too bad at all. Bits to undo there. I have to invoice it. So I think it's a bubble waste going in the tank, and it's not all got cleaned up. Still a lot of work to repair this, but should save us a bit of time. So yeah, that's Alex's gear. We've got a couple of jobs to finish off. Just waiting for the powder coaters, for the bumper irons. We've got the bumpers, they can go on there, and that's ready to go. The engine in Linda's convertible's got to go back to John Mayer. There's a problem with that. She's going to sort out for us. We've got Matt's gear to get painted. That's my beetle needs a few bits and bobs. And we've got a few beetles up there to get through. And that's what we're on at the minute. We'll get this cleaned up and into epoxy this morning, and yeah, probably get onto this in a few weeks. Right, I'll see you on the next one.